What's up, my people? What's up, my people? It's Counselor Diamond Hands checking in. GTII update. What's going on? Hey, we already knew today was coming. You know, when I look at stocks and price action, I always look at what's been going on for the past week, and things of that nature. You gotta step back, look at the chart. Pull the monthly out. Look at the monthly. And you can see that we've been running. GTII has been running, man. We've been running for a while, for days. All last week, beginning of this week, we've been running. It was written in stone. There's gonna be a pullback. I mean, it's been up over 100%. So, of course, people gonna take their profits. People took profits. And I think people took profits, and I really think the shorts came back in, man. I think the shorts came stumbling back in. Of course, we got up to $2.04, I think it was. Then they just came in. Bam! People took profits. What is gonna happen if you run a stock up that high? I think the shorts are like, okay, I can get into another position. And I really think they're trying to knock us back under $1. I saw us at like 122 at one point, and I was just like, oh, they trying to get us under $1, but I already knew it was gonna push back up. I really truly thought we was gonna base around 155, 160 for most of the day. I didn't think they can get us all the way down to 122 or 120, but it's what they did. They got that off, but the bulls came back and we pushed it back to like 150, which is good. So I think we ended at $1.46, which is only 20% off. We've been running over almost 200%. Today, 20%, and that goes off people taking profit, which is gonna happen in the stock market. That's why we're in here for, right? And probably some new shorts coming in, because I don't see how we go from $2.04 all the way down to $1.20 in a stock with bullish news and with the bulls having control over it. So there had to be some people get into some new short positions, which is whatever. We still over $1.50. So there's some shorts that's actually drowning right now. So if they shorted at $1, I'm sure some shorts came in at 90 cents. So probably even lower than that, maybe 60 cents, So they underwater. We still moving up. I see us creeping up. I looked at Arca, I think his name is. Man, if you're not subscribe to Arca Stocks or whatever he calls his page, ARCA, you got to get on that page. He's giving out detailed detailed chart reading, good predictions. He's not saying we're going to Mars, which is good. He has his points, he has his data, and I rock with him, Arca. But I think he even said we're gonna come down a little bit to the 160s. I believe the same thing, 160s, and kind of maintain there all day. But now they got us down. They took GTI down to 120. I think it was the lowest. We popped back up to 150, sitting at 146. We're actually at the same price as 8, which is kind of funny. So we still making progress. GTII still holding strong. They couldn't get us under that $1. I know they wanted us under there today. They couldn't do it. They're going to try tomorrow. But I think a lot of people were waiting on the bottom. I think a lot of people read charts like I read them. They probably saw that we're up over 100% on the week, or over the last couple of days, probably, I think it was like 185%. And they're probably like, it's going to be a pullback. They waited for the pullback. They got their pullback. 120, I think buyers started buying, getting back in. They got up to like 150, 155. Then some shorting came in, went back to the 130s, got it back up to 146. So that's where we end off today. Tomorrow's going to be an important day because I want to see how we recover from the profit taking and the shorting. Also, the illegal shorting. Also, today the market was horrible. You saw the market, man. Might be a couple stocks that was running, but the whole market was getting banged. It was getting crazy. The SPY was down. The Dow's down like 300 points. So if it was a decent day in the market, I think we would have probably kept that 160, 165. But nevertheless, we have 146. Always tomorrow, we are going to see what happens tomorrow. I predict we go up. I predict the bottom came at 120, and we have support around 135 to 150, that type of zone. And I think buyers have recognized the low points, and I think they will start buying tomorrow. So let's go. And I could be wrong. This ain't financial advice. Counselor Diamond Hands. Let's go.